Howdy campers! If you are looking for a good camping light for your tents, for your campgrounds, or for when power goes out, check out this system right here from Allspark. So you actually have the lights right there. You can turn on really nice warm light and also emergency light as well. But let's go back to the warm light. So this thing will open up and down. So if you need to shine down, you have this part right here. So there's a little magnetic hook that you can hook on to anything metal, maybe even just hook it on to like inside your tent. There's usually hooks there. So you can do it that way. There's a bunch of other options, which we'll get to here in a second. But on the other side, real quick, you have a flashlight itself. So you can use a nice like flashlight to see where you're walking, or again, you can just use that side right there. There is a USB-C for charging and USB-A to use as a power bank to charge your devices. If you're running low on your phone, you really need to charge it up, you can do it right there. Now, it does come with this, which looks suspiciously like a selfie stick because that's kind of what it is. So you can open this thing up very far, but we'll keep it down right here for now. And it comes with this really nice tripod. So it's like a weighted metal tripod. And yeah, you can repurpose this for any camera shots. So this will sit on there, and then it comes with this magnetic mount that goes on the top here. So why that's important is because this flashlight part is magnetic. So it sits on top, and so you can have this anywhere in your campground, on your tables, just shining down that warm light, just great vibes, very long lasting night light, and yeah, just all around perfect for camping, perfect for hiking, whatever. Highly recommend the system. It's great, and thanks for watching.